Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back in our Tkinter series. So alright, we're going to be doing more with the message boxes, and there is another message box that we'll be looking at today. It's ask, yes, no, cancel. So the last one we looked at was ask, yes, and no. That is why it is so important for you to hit that subscribe and the notification bell. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're doing that because we are having videos come out all the time. So all right, let's just look at that again. So we hit exit. Are you sure? Yes, no. That was the last one we had, the last message box. Well, it's literally this simple. And we can look at box. So here we go. We have a couple more that we can look at. Then we go help. And I just aliased Tkinter Messagebox inbox. Inbox dot. And it's ask, yes, no, cancel, if I can spell it right. Okay, title, ask question, return true if answer is true, none if canceled. So there we go. Let's just add cancel here, cancel, and we bring it back up, hit exit. Now we have a yes, no, and a cancel. Boom. So there we go. A couple more that we'll pepper through, but like we do here, we are very thorough. And we are going to continue on through these. So that's why it's vital that you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. Like I said, videos all the time. And please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. I've had some cool stuff being asked, and we will knock it out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.